Are you thinking of buying a Bluetooth for your helmet? Have you considered the BluArmor C30? Well, watch this video first and I'm sure you'll come to a good decision at the end of it. Hi, my name is Partha and I'm from GT House. Today we have for you the BluArmor C30. You might have seen videos all around the internet talking about the unboxing, talking about the installation, but I'm here to talk you through the features, the pros and the cons of this Bluetooth helmet and why you should consider this for your next purchase. First, let's talk about what's in the box. In the box, you will find the speakers, a microphone, the unit itself, two types of clamps. One is going to be a sticky, a 3M sticker clamp. One is going to be a screw-on bolt-on clamp. You will also find spacers. Outside of that, you will also get a warranty card that gives you 12 months of warranty from BluArmor. So as far as installation goes, as you can see, we already have the BluArmor C30 installed on this helmet. Here you can see we have the screw-on clamp, which is actually very stable, very solid. This is the cable that goes into the audio unit, the JBL speakers and the microphone. And this is the unit itself that slides on very easily and clips on for final use. For helmets that do not allow the usage of the screw-on mount or the bolt-on mount, BluArmor have also supplied a sticky mount, which is actually very useful because I've used that on both of my helmets. I have it on the LS2 as well as the Bell MX9. Let's now talk about the features of the BluArmor C30. Key among them is the ability to connect up to 20 riders on a single mesh called the RIDEGRID. The RIDEGRID system allows you to connect anywhere between 2 to 20 riders in a single linear connection, which means that they are connected to each other in sequence. And in case one of them drops off, the remaining riders will reconnect to each other seamlessly. The rated connection distance between two riders is 800 meters between two riders. As the number of riders increases, the line of sight connection will also play a big role. The biggest plus for the BluArmor C30 is it's waterproof. It's IP67 rated, which means that it's fine dust and heavy rains rated. Personally, having used this in rains, I can vouch for the fact that it works beautifully. Another big feature is the big battery life. It comes with a 1000 milliamp hour battery that gives you easily over 16 hours of usage. Again, from personal experience, I have ridden to Goa from Pune and back, plus some internal usage on a single charge. So that's 2 thumbs ups from me for the battery. Among these other features is also the ability to connect 2 phones simultaneously, and the pairing is very simple, as you will see later on in this video. Another feature that is available on the C30 in terms of connectivity is the RIDELYNK feature, which allows you to use the BluArmor C30 to connect to other devices such as Parani, Sena and Cardo using the universal connection feature. But the best feature of all is the ability or the availability of JBL speakers, which means that you get really crystal clear sound in a great soundstage that is created by your helmet. Again, personally, having used this at speeds of nearly 80 to 90 kilometers per hour on the highway with a little bit of wind noise, there is zero issues on clarity, either on listening to conversations or music or when you are talking to somebody on the inbuilt microphone. And that's it for the feature list. Let's talk about the mobile app and the pros and cons coming up next. Now we're going to show you how to actually use the BluArmor C30 head unit. To power on the machine, you need to press and hold the middle button. Once you do that, you will get feedback from the head unit itself.
Open app for best riding experience.
Once you get that feedback, you will also notice that there is a light that shows you the connection status. To put the device into pairing mode, you have to just press once, very lightly, the plus and minus buttons. Just do it once.
Ready to pair phone.
And it goes into pairing mode. What you then need to do is go into your Bluetooth settings of your phone and look for the device. Once you find the device, just select and it will automatically pair. To connect with other riders on the ride grid, all you need to do is press and hold the up button for a few seconds. And once it detects other riders, it will automatically log into that grid and you will be able to speak to your co-riders. To disconnect from the ride grid, press and hold it once again and you will be disconnected. To connect using RIDELYNK, press and hold the down button. To connect using RIDELYNK mode, which allows you universal pairing to devices like Sena and Parani and so on. To disconnect from there, press and hold again and you are no longer connected to the universal network. To play music while you are riding on the motorcycle, before you get onto the motorcycle, make sure that you have the music app on your phone, and while you are riding, all you need to do is press the middle button once and it will automatically start playing the last played song. To increase or decrease the volume, use these buttons. This is to increase the volume. This is to decrease the volume. And if you want to stop playing the music, just press the middle button once again. Just once. And you can see the music is stopped. In case you receive a phone call, to accept the phone call, all you have to do is press the middle button once and it will answer the phone call. Once you are done with the phone call, press the middle button twice, like that, and you will be able to disconnect. Another really useful feature on the BluArmor C30 is the ability to access your voice assistant while you're on the go. All you have to do is press this middle button twice and you are able to activate either Siri or Google Assistant to do some simple tasks. For example, I could call somebody using the voice assistant. Here's how. Press the button twice. It activates the voice assistant. Call Kaustubh. And it automatically calls Kaustubh. To disconnect the call, all you have to do is press the middle button twice. And it disconnects the call. And that's how easy it is to use the BluArmor C30. So who is the BluArmor C30 for? The C30 is a device that is best suited for riders who want to connect to more than 4 riders, who appreciate good sound quality and appreciate good quality of hardware and software being used to create a connectivity system or a connectivity ecosystem that everybody can appreciate. It uses the RIDEGRID, which connects up to 20 riders, and we've had tests where up to 10 riders were able to connect on a single connection effortlessly. It works beautifully. Conversations between these 10 riders were again seamless, it was fine. But our personal experience, our tests have shown that if you connect anywhere between 4 to 6 riders, that's the sweet spot, because these riders are constantly in line of sight with each other, can stay connected, and the audio quality is not compromised. My personal recommendation is that if you and your pillion for that matter are looking for a good quality headset that allows you to listen to music as well as take calls or even listen to navigation and have good conversations with each other, good quality conversations, then the BluArmor C30 is for you. Coming at a price of $10,999, it's a device that pretty much kills the competition, and I'm talking about the high-end competition like the Cardo Pactox or the Senas that are very expensive devices. So for a third of the price of these good quality imports, the BluArmor C30 gives you a very good homegrown solution with extremely good customer support, either via WhatsApp or on their mobile app or on their website. And I would highly recommend this device for you if you are riding with people who appreciate good quality, want that clarity of conversations with each other, and good quality battery life. Also important to note is that you can use the BluArmor C30 head unit across multiple helmets, and you can do that by picking up a helmet kit. So this helmet kit comes with speakers, extra clamps, extra clamps, extra spacers, and the microphone that you can install in your second helmet and then just move over the head unit between the two helmets. I personally use this with my Bell MX9 and the LS2 helmet, and it works seamlessly. This is useful so you don't have to invest in a separate Bluetooth headset unit for the second helmet. So come down to GT House, have a look and experience the BluArmor C30, and I'm sure that is going to be the right decision for you. If you've stayed this far for this video, thank you very much for sticking around. Do consider hitting that like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribe with the bell icon for more such videos in the future. Thank you very much once again, and I look forward to hosting you at the Gear and Throttle House shop in Baner Pashan Link Road in Pune. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.